Hello everyone. RRB NTPC 2025 GK PYQ plus important questions part 1. The color associated with the revolution in fertilizers is grey, also known as the grey revolution. In exam they may ask which color is associated with the revolution in fertilizers. The answer for this question is grey color. The highest peak in India is Kanchenjunga, located in Sikkim near India-Nepal border at an elevation of 8,556 meters. In exam, they may ask which is the highest peak in India. The answer for this question is Kanchenjunga. In which state it is located? It is located in Sikkim. What is an elevation of the Kanchenjunga? The answer for this question is 8,586 meters, 28,169 feet. Other tall peaks in India: Nanda Devi at 7816 meters, Trishul Peak at 7120 meters, Gorichan Peak at 6850 meters. Annamudi is the Western Ghats and the Mahendragiri is in Eastern Ghats. In exam they may ask five treasures of snow is also known as a Kanchenjunga. Which peak is also known as a five treasures of snow? The answer for this question is Kanchenjunga. The Indian Constitution outlines 11 fundamental duties for citizens, which were initially 10 and increased to 11 by 86 Amendment 2002, which amended add 11 fundamental duties in Indian Constitution. The answer for this question is 86th Amendment in 2002. The fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976, especially through the addition Part 4 and Article 51A. The concept of the fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution added by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 was borrowed from which country? The answer for this question is USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. The first Battle of Panipat in 1526 was fought between the invading forces of Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, the Sultan of Delhi. In exam, they may ask when was first Battle Panipat was held? 1526 between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. The second Battle of Panipat was fought between the Hindu king Hemu and the Mughal Emperor Akbar army on November 5, 1556. The battle took place near the site of the first Battle of the Panipat in 1526. In exam, they asked the second Battle of Panipat was fought between whom and whom? The answer for this question is King Hemu and the Mughal Emperor Akbar. What is the mirror formula? Mirror formula is equal to 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Where f stands for focal length, object distance u, and the image distance v of a spherical mirror holding the true for both concave and concave mirrors. Concave and convex mirrors. In India, the right to freedom of religion is a fundamental right guaranteed under Articles 25 to 28 of the Indian Constitution. It is a very important question. Right to freedom of religion is comes under which articles? The answer for this question is 25 to 28 of the Indian Constitution, allowing individuals to profess, practice, and propagate any religion subject to public order, morality, and health. The Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is located in the state of Uttarakhand in northern India. In exam, they may ask, in which state of India Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve located? The answer for this question is in Uttarakhand. Mount Everest is located in the Nagur Himal sub-range of the Himalayas on the border of the Nepal and China. In exam, they may ask, in which border Mount Everest is located? Nepal and China. Its summit points mark on the international border between two countries. Mount Makalu is located in Nepal. Where is Mount Makalu is located? It is located in Nepal, specifically in the Mahalnagar Himalayas as the fifth highest mountain in the world. In exam, they may ask, which mountain is the fifth highest mountain in the world? The answer for this question is Mount Makalu. White Revolution. White Revolution focus on increase of the milk production, also known as the Operation Flood. Blue Revolution is aims to improve fisheries. Blue Revolution is related to the fisheries and aquaculture, enhancing the fish production and income for fishers. Yellow Revolution is specifically targets the production of oil seeds. Yellow Revolution is related to the oil seeds like mustard, groundnut, and sesame, leading to increased edible oil production. Green Revolution is related to the agricultural production through the use of the highly yielding varieties, fertilizers, and irrigations. Black Revolution refers to the period of the sustainable growth and development in the petroleum industry. Black Revolution is related to the petroleum industry. Brown Revolution focuses on increasing the production of coffee, cocoa, and other non-conventional crops. Brown Revolution is related to the coffee, cocoa, and other non-conventional crops. Golden Fiber Revolution focuses on the development of jute production. Pink Revolution modernizes the meat and the poultry processing sector. It is also associated with the onion, pharmaceutical, and prawn production. Saffron Revolution harnessing solar energy. Saffron Revolution is related to the harnessing solar energy. Grey Revolution associated with the increasing fertilizer production. Red Revolution. Red Revolution focuses on increasing the tomato and meat production. Golden Revolution related to the production of honey and other horticulture productions. It is very important question. Golden Revolution related to the honey and other horticulture productions. The 49th parallel forms the international boundary between which two countries? The answer for this question is United States of America and Canada. The boundary between India and Pakistan is known as Radcliffe Line, demarcated by the Sir Cyril Radcliffe after the partition of India in 1947. In exam, they ask, the boundary line between India and Pakistan is known as Radcliffe Line. The boundary line between the North and South Korea is roughly marked by the 38th parallel. 38th parallel related to the North and South Korea, a line of latitude and further demarcated by the demilitarized zone DMZ. The boundary line between France and Germany is called Maginot Line. Dhondar Falls is located on the Narmada River in Beghadat, Madhya Pradesh, and is known for the smoky mist creates as the water plunges down the rocks. In exam, they may ask, Dhondar Falls is located on the which river in Madhya Pradesh? The answer for this question is Narmada River. In which state it is located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh. Thank you for watching. These are the PYQ, some important questions for RRB NTPC examination. Thank you for watching.